Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma MG3650. I want to show you how to connect this printer to a wireless network. First of all, you need to put this printer in a wireless mode. So press the stop button once, then press and hold the Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. The power on button will flash. Then you press the copy button once, then press the Wi-Fi button again, then release it. The Wi-Fi button is now flashing. What that means is the printer is in a wireless mode. So depending on the device you want to use to connect the printer, we're going to connect it in this case with mobile device. So the printer is still flashing. If you connect this printer to a network, it will be a steady blue light. Now go to mobile device, for example, go to your Play Store on your phone. So go to Play Store, install Canon Print app, open it up, then search for printer. Please wait momentarily. Is your printer listed below? Then select no. When the printer is dictated on the next screen, tap the button to connect. Select next. The printer is found. Canon IJ40697 MG3600 series. Select connect. Connecting to the device. Connected. Please wait momentarily. And the printer is still flashing. Processing. The Wi-Fi and power button both are flashing together intermittently, and they stay processing. The printer will be connected to the following wireless router. So you found the network, then you select yes. Ask you to put the password. So I have the information, so I'm going to put the password. So once you put the password, then submit it, and it's saving. So it's saving. This may take more than 30 seconds. Communicating with the printer. Then select no. And the printer is found. Then select on the printer. Now it's acquiring printer information. If you look, the Wi-Fi light is now steady and the printer is connected. This is the printer here, MG3600 series. And the Wi-Fi light is now steady. The power on button is now steady. It's no longer flashing. So this is how to connect this printer to a network. If you want to print a document, select print document. Select print document. Then put the document or the paper on the tray. Then select the document you want to print out. So the document is processing 2-page document, but I want us to print only page 1. Select next. Select current page. Select OK. Then the setting A4. Want to print it simplest. Then go back. A4 plain paper. Then select print. This is the document we printed out. Printing is completed, then you select OK. So this is how to connect this printer to a Wi-Fi network, add it to your mobile phone, then print out a document. Thank you very much indeed.